We're really looking forward to welcoming you back to your active leisure centres. We know that they are the heart of the community, and we know that they play such an important part in helping you to maintain and improve your health and well-being. I'm really proud of our active team of staff who've been working tirelessly behind the scenes to make sure that our facilities are safe for your return. There's lots of new procedures, redesigns, lots of training to make sure that you can come back safely and enjoy your experience with us. We followed Welsh Government guidelines and the guidelines from industry experts such as UK Active and Public Health Wales. Your active centre may look similar from the outside, but rest assured from the inside it looks and works a little bit differently from before. But that's because we want to make it safe for you to return.
To ensure that we can provide a service for as many people as possible, we ask that you pre-book your activity before attending the centre. This can be done online or via our app. When you arrive at our centres, you must wear your own face covering when entering, navigating and leaving. We also ask that you use a hand sanitizer on entering and regularly throughout the visit. You will be able to remove the face covering whilst exercising. We have made improvements to our check-in process to make it as quick and simple for you. We'll be issuing customers who do not have an RFID button with a new one. This button is linked to your membership and will allow you to check in seconds. All our centres are operating at reduced capacity to help you keep you safe. You will notice the safety measures are clearly marked out throughout the centres, including our one-way systems to ensure you can get your activity safely. Changing rooms will be available only for swimmers. Lockers will also be unavailable, so please limit your personal belongings.
In our gyms, measures have been put in place so we can practice social distancing. The gym equipment has been rearranged and spaced out at a safe distance. Capacity numbers will be limited and you will only be able to book a 1-hour gym slot 5 days in advance. Our gyms will be cleaned to the highest standard throughout the day. After every booked session, the gyms will be closed for 30 minutes for a deep clean before we welcome the next lot of bookings in. We have also added more hand sanitizers and self-cleaning stations and ask that during your session that you clean your equipment before and after use. The use of personal towels is not permitted, so please don't bring these with you. We will have plenty of paper towels and sanitising sprays available which can be used and disposed of in the bins provided. We'll slowly introduce more classes as measures ease and we feel that it is safe to do so. Please make sure that you check our website and app regularly for updates and for further class additions.
We have introduced a new booking system for our swimming pool. Just like all our other activities, you can book your swim session online or via the app. When you arrive and check in at reception, you will be directed to enter the pool through a different entrance. You will be given a numbered box on poolside that you will use for your belongings and clothes before entering the pool. Please select the correct lane for your ability, slow, medium or fast. There will be directional arrows for you to follow. If you do need to stop, make sure that you turn your back to the pool and that you face away from other swimmers. We have widened the lanes to ensure safe distancing when in the water. We ask that when leaving the pool, please take your box to a sanitised cubicle with the number which corresponds with your box. You will exit the changing rooms a different way. Please check the signage. Please keep an eye on our website, our app and social media pages for any future updates to our Learn to Swim programme and to our pool timetable.
We obviously are offering a limited programme, but we will increase that as soon as it is safe and practicable to do so. The most important things to us are that you visit safely, enjoyably, and that you see the benefits of working out in an active leisure centre. Take care, and we hope to see you soon.